Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Maya and loading the scene you'll change. Select the object or components you want to edit. Make sure you're in the right selection mode, object, vertex, edge, or face, because soft selection behaves per component type. Once done, look at the status line and the active tool. Many tools show soft selection settings. You're starting with the simplest control, proper selection, and the visible tool that exposes soft selection options. Now disable soft selection directly. Press B to toggle soft selection off for quick work. This is the fastest, and you'll know it's off when the fall-off circle disappears. If you prefer explicit control, open the tool settings for Move, Rotate, or Scale, and locate the soft selection rollout. Turn off the checkbox or set the fall-off radius to 0. This removes interpolation, so transforms affect only the selected components. Finally, confirm by making a small transform. You should see a uniform change with no graded influence. If you still get gradual movement, reset the tool or restart Maya to clear transient states, and if that fails, reset preferences. Also check component weights. Open the component editor and clear any weights that mimic soft selection. One key tip: if transforms still blend, inspect deformers and skin weights, because those can behave like soft selection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.